Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very practical tutorial that will save you a lot of headache if you are managing invoices or billings. I am going to show you exactly how to set reminders for expected payments in Zoho Books. Missing a payment follow-up can be incredibly frustrating for your cash flow, so automating these alerts is a total game changer. Whether you are running a small startup or managing a growing business, this workflow will ensure you never lose track of money due to you. Before we dive into the steps, do me a quick favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Your support helps me keep creating these helpful guides for you. Alright, let's jump right into the screen and get your reminder set up. First, open your Zoho Books dashboard. Navigate to the sidebar and click on Settings, then select Reminders from the list of options. Here you will see the Automated Reminder section. This is the heart of your payment collection system. You will see an option for Remind, where you can specify the number of days relative to the expected payment date. Simply input your desired time frame. This gives you the flexibility to send a gentle nudge before the date, exactly on the date, or even a few days after if the payment is late. Next, you need to define the recipients. In the To field, you can decide who receives the email. You also have the CC and BCC sections if you want to include team members or keep an accounting record filed away in another inbox. It is essential here that you check the box to enable this reminder. If you skip this, your settings will be saved, but the automation will not actually trigger. Once you have double-checked the recipient emails and the reminder timing, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. That's all it takes to build a robust system that works for you in the background, while you focus on other parts of your business. If you found this quick walkthrough useful, please hit that like and subscribe button for more Zoho tutorials. It really helps the channel grow and keep the content coming. Take a moment to test your first reminder to ensure it reaches the correct recipient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.